I spent over 65 hours testing Beehiiv and these 8 other email marketing tools. So in this Beehiiv review, I'll break down their key features like the landing page builder, email marketing automations, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score Beehiiv out of 5 and give you my personal recommendation. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if Beehiiv is the best email marketing provider for you. Ease of use. Beehiiv's platform is fast and easy to navigate. The layout makes sense, the interface is clean, and whether you're brand new to email marketing or you've been doing it for years, you'll feel comfortable right away. The dashboard gives you helpful suggestions for getting started, and there's a smooth campaign creation process that's simple to follow. There's also a help button you can click from almost anywhere on the platform when you need that personal support. Beehiiv offers a visual editor that's fast and easy to understand, but it doesn't provide the drag and drop flexibility you find on other platforms. Instead, it's made up of building blocks, ranging from coded sections and plain text to images, block quotes, and tables. It even has advanced content types like social media embeds and polls. It's different from what most people expect, but once you get used to it, it works well. This is where Beehiiv falls short. While you can add HTML snippets to your posts, you can't upload your own HTML email template. Another thing is that Beehiiv only offers 7 plain email templates. In most cases, you'll have to build your own templates yourself, which can be time-consuming if you're not sure how to design a newsletter. Technically, you can create a very basic landing page using Beehiiv's website builder, but there are no pre-made templates to pull from, and you won't have much control over the design. Beehiiv's embedded forms are also pretty basic. There are no templates to start with, and adding any field besides email addresses requires you to create a custom field, which isn't straightforward. I also found the form editor a bit glitchy, and you can only embed forms using JavaScript, meaning there's no way to tweak the design's HTML or CSS. But if you want to start your own high-converting landing page and email marketing campaign that gets you the leads you need for your business, then you can go here to collect my 8-step guide to creating lead magnets that convert for free. Overall, I give Beehiiv a 4 for ease of use. They have a clean, user-friendly interface that's great for content creators, but they lose a point for limited template options and basic landing page and form building capabilities. Features. Importing contacts is straightforward. You can upload a CSV file of your existing contact right onto Beehiiv, although they are missing custom integrations to import contacts directly from their competitors. Beehiiv segmentation features are pretty powerful. You can group subscribers based on specific attributes: subscribers' engagement levels, the form they sign up from, and survey responses. The most useful feature is that you can choose whether you want your segments to be static or dynamic. Dynamic segments update daily to ensure your list stays current. You can also tag subscribers for better organization. Automations are only available on paid plans, but they offer decent customizations and flexibility. It's easy to create a welcome series and set up other complex multi-step automations. You can add multiple triggers, including ones based on polls and surveys, custom conditions, time delays, and conditional branches within a workflow. Strangely though, you can't trigger automations based on email opens and clicks, or send abandoned cart campaigns. A/B testing in automations, lead scoring, and website tracking are also not available on Beehiiv. Beehiiv has 28 native integrations with key platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and WooCommerce, which makes workflows much easier. The Zapier integration opens up connections to hundreds of additional tools for more flexibility. The Stripe connection is also really handy for accepting payments straight on the platform. This is where Beehiiv really shines. You can create a paid newsletter subscription right on the platform, which not many competitors offer. But what sets Beehiiv apart is their ad network and boost network. The ad network helps you find sponsors and advertisers for your newsletters, while the boost network lets you promote your newsletter to other creators' audiences. These features are specifically designed for newsletter creators looking to monetize their content. Beehiiv offers a solid set of analytics tools that covers the essentials for newsletter publishers. The dashboard provides a clear overview of key metrics like open rates, click rates, and subscriber growth. One of the strengths is the ability to track revenue directly within the platform, a big plus for creators using Beehiiv's monetization features. I also like their verified click feature, which shows you which portion of clicks are legitimate versus bot clicks. However, the reporting isn't as advanced as some enterprise platforms. You won't find heat maps or advanced custom reports here. Overall, I give Beehiiv a 4.5 for features. They excel at creative-focused features and monetization options, losing only half a point for basic reporting compared to enterprise tools. And if you want to get started and test this out for yourself, you can click on a link in the description of this video or type this link in where you'll be able to get a 30-day free trial with Beehiiv and my special discount if you continue to use them. Customer support. Beehiiv doesn't offer hands-on migration support. They position themselves as a self-serve platform instead. While their customer success team can guide you through the process, you'll have to do the heavy lifting yourself, importing contacts, recreating automations, and all that. But if you're moving from Substack, there's a guided mapping tool that transfers paid customer via Stripe, which can come in very handy. Beehiiv has a 3.6 rating with over 200 reviews, which is a decent score overall. However, the biggest complaint that keeps coming up is about account and payment problems, including accounts being banned or restricted without clear explanation and a very rigid refund policy. Many users mention slow and unhelpful support in these situations, so I suggest you keep these money-related issues in mind. Users can submit tickets through the help portal or get help through an extensive catalog of tutorials and guides. Response time can vary, but they only respond during business hours, which can be limiting if you need urgent help. While there's an AI-powered chatbot available 24/7, there's no live chat support with real human. This can be frustrating when you have complex questions that the bot can't handle. Overall, I give Beehiiv customer support a 3.5. They provide good migration tools and comprehensive documentation, but they do lose points for strict account usage, limited support hours, and no live chat with human agents. Pricing. Beehiiv offers a free launch plan for up to 2,500 subscribers, which is more generous than many competitors. The free plan includes basic features like newsletters, website hosting, and subscriber management. The scale plan starts at $49 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers and includes advanced features like automations, custom domains, and monetization tools. The max plan starts at $109 per month and adds priority support, advanced analytics, and remove the Beehiiv branding. For 5,000 subscribers, you'll pay $89 per month on the scale plan, while 50,000 subscribers cost $249 per month. These prices are competitive for creative-focused platforms, especially considering the monetization features included. Overall, I give Beehiiv a 4 for pricing. They offer good value for creators with their generous free plan and competitive paid tiers, though they're not the cheapest option available. Overall, I score Beehiiv a 4.5 out of 5. Beehiiv is a great choice for newsletter creators, content creators, and bloggers who want to build and monetize their audience. It stands out for its creative-focused features, built-in monetization options, and the unique ad network and boost network for growing your newsletter. However, Beehiiv isn't for everyone. If you need advanced email marketing automations, complex segmentation, or enterprise-level reporting, you'll find it limiting. So I would instead recommend you check out this alternative here. But if you're ready to get started with Beehiiv, then watch this full Beehiiv tutorial next to get you started.